Today I'm going to show you how to share your Typeform with others. Whether you're collecting survey responses, gathering feedback, or running a registration form, knowing how to properly share your Typeform is essential for reaching your audience. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by opening your web browser and navigating to typeform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your account. This will take you directly to your Typeform dashboard where all your forms are stored and managed. Once you're in your dashboard, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to share. You can simply click on the name of the form to open it if you haven't created a form yet, or if you want to share a brand new one, you can create a new form right from this dashboard. The process works the same way regardless of which form you choose. Now that you have your form open, look towards the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. This action automatically publishes your form, making it ready to be shared with your audience. You might need to wait a few seconds for the page to load and process the publishing. This brief pause ensures that all your form settings are properly saved and that the shareable link is generated correctly. After the page finishes loading, you'll be presented with several sharing options. The most straightforward way to share your Typeform is through the direct link. Look for the option that says Copy Link and click on it. This will instantly copy the direct URL of your form to your clipboard. With this link copied, you can now paste it anywhere you need, whether that's in an email, on social media, in a text message, or embedded on your website. And that's it. Your Typeform is now ready to be shared, and you have the direct link to distribute it to your respondents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.